Wilson, we're coming up to the poachers camp. Oh no, Wilson.
He's so cute.
Oh yeah, he's feeding that. Yeah, he's right. He's got a bag in his hand.
This one she said is the youngest on the floor. Hey. You put your hat on? Hey. Good. Put your hat on. There you go. Put your hat on.
Get a blood sample from the snake from the tail section
and by training the
beyond the vent, which
we can deliver uncompromising excellence in animal care.
about an inch from where her syringe is to the tip of the tail is a safe place to get a blood draw from. There's a vein that runs down the center of the tail on the ventral side of it. Earlier you might have seen some milky-looking fluid that she may have drawn up. There's a scent gland right next to the vent that when the snake gets upset or feels threatened, it produces this pretty pungent odor that is supposed to repel any potential predator. Got a good blood sample going there right now. So these guys are just getting their annual exams, potential threat to the animal's health.
How many live snakes in the collection here?
Okay.
How many lives?
He's a coffee drinker.
Sure. Sure.
Like, you are still here.
Yes. Yes, we're doing a show.
Oh, good for you.
You're in the show.
Woohoo! Is it a dancing show?
No.
It is now.
Well, so let's see if he'll show you exactly what I mean. You ready, buddy? He's warming up. It's a good sign. Are you ready? Here we go. Symbol of one of the greatest conservation success stories of all time. You know, guys, not long ago, bald eagles were in such great danger of extinction that we actually feared future generations, they never get to see a beautiful sight like we're in the wild. I'll tell you what, Joe, that's when something incredible happened. People came, but just as importantly, we stopped using a chemical pesticide called DDT. It played a major role in this and many other birds to harm.
People made the difference by cleaning up the environment?
That's right, Joe. And results were amazing. The numbers of bald eagles rose so high that, in fact, just recently, the bald eagle was officially removed from the endangered species list. Pretty awesome, right?
Yeah.
Best part is it just goes to show the power we have.
Don't worry, you're all 20 moments here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration. And you, my friends, are...
Let's hear it in the hood, all the way. It's gonna be King Simba's finest glee. Oh, I just can't wait. All together now, 1, 2, 3. To see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. It's far too much to take in here. You know. Now remember, life's an adventure with new horizons every day.